If you want to start or end your speech in a professional way, you might need to add the fade in and fade out effect. That means that the speech shouldn't start at a same level and at the same level. In some cases, not in all of the cases. So I want to gradually increase the volume at the starting and should gradually decrease at the ending, so that the speech starting and ending should look more professional and perfect in speech. So whenever you want to add a fade in effect at the starting, I'll just select that part where I want to apply the fade in effect, and I'll go to the effects and go to the fading and click on fade in simply. So as you can see that audio has reduced. What is the effect of it? Let's listen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our So as you can see that it kind of start with a low volume and it grows to maintain the particular volume that we have of the speech. Let's play it again. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, so you can definitely notice the change, and let's actually listen the ending audio first and then we will make the change. See how you can see, going to see how you can, so let's make the fade out effect for this particular part. So what I'll do is just select that particular part and I'll go to effects, and this time I'll go to fading, but this is fade out effect. So what is in ending is a fade out. Let's click here to see how you can, so you can definitely notice how the speech is ending. So in some cases, it might be very useful for you. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you next time.